everyone, welcome to my night routine. I'm gonna start off by filling up the goat bins with food. They get 1 cup each. And the chickens don't get food. They get food in the morning, but not at night. Let's go take it to them. Hi girls, you ready for dinner? They're always like this every night. They want their dinner. Hi. Oh no, don't eat it right now. Let's go in, come on. And they always go in when it's time to eat, so I don't have to worry. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that awning right there, we just put in today, and that should help the rain get out of the barn. All right, excuse me, I gotta close the door. Thank you. All right, and there's that, and then they're good to go. They start eating. Right now, I would also, if I needed to, give them medications, either shots or oral medication. All right, good night. And they're good to go for the night. The goats don't really have much to do. If I need to replace their water, I do, but I don't today, which is nice. But then I just set the buckets here, and now it's time for the chickens. And I keep this unlocked all night because I also do the chickens first thing in the morning. Let's start off with these guys. Hi, everyone. Let's go in here. Shut this, and then down here there's a button that you guys can't see, that I can't even see, but there's a button, and that closes just like that, and we're good to go. Oh, I had to make sure the corners don't have any eggs. I don't see any at all, which is okay because sometimes chickens don't lay eggs, and that's okay. All right, now go in here, check eggs in here, no eggs. And I'm also gonna move their food back inside of their coop because with Texas weather, I never know when it's gonna rain. So it's important to just keep this dry and good to go. They also have food until their door opens. Over here we have the chickens, the main flock. Same thing with them, I just grab food, shut the door, and they're all ready for bed. As you can see, they're good to go. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, we're good to go, all on their roosts. Now we gotta move Hercules to his new roost that was built for him. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. Nope. Oh my goodness. He doesn't ever, every time I pick him up and I put him on something, he doesn't grab onto it. I'm looking for eggs, I don't see any because I did collect 3 earlier to give, okay, well, hopefully he'll figure it out. I might come out here later and do that, but there he is with that. And then shut this curtain door. Make sure it's good to go. Everything is good. Oh, there it goes. This curtain is done. Shut this door. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm sure you can. But the coop is now painted. It needs like touch up and everything, but it's ready to go. That's good to go. But yeah, it looks awesome. And I'm really happy with it. Waters stay as they are. This I can actually push over there a little bit. I hope you guys like my socks. I've got like sheep on my socks. I'm just doing one more look through, make sure everything is good. And we are done. Now I just like to go into the goat yard. Normally I'd have eggs to collect and everything. Everything's looking good. Oh, maybe we may need a new bale sooner than I thought. Over here. All right, that's good to go. Toys are good. Sometimes I put the toys up at night depending and if it's gonna ice over or not, but I got the buckets and we're ready to go. Sometimes I lock this and sometimes I don't. It just kind of depends. Because some days I have to, like, people drive by and, like, I don't know, act weird, and so I'll lock it just in case. But I didn't today, so I think we're good. Because stealing livestock is a thing, so you gotta be careful. We have one more thing to do, and that is for the Silky over here, who we don't have named. We do call him or her Naked Neck. So I gotta deal with that real quick, and then we'll be ready to go. I just kept moving the little guy or girl around. Okay. Sorry, Naked Neck, but you gotta... Oh, come here. Hi. I'll go ahead and grab water too. This can just collapse. Try to get that water clean. I'll change it out tomorrow morning, and Naked Neck probably won't drink any water tonight, or if he does, or she does, it won't be much. So I'm not that worried about the water. There we go. So it'll be changed out. Naked Neck ate bugs and some scratch all day, but yeah, all good to go. Shut this, of course, and then let's go take this apart real quick, and then we will be done with our night routine. All right, this hopefully will be easy. Sometimes it's hard, sometimes it's easy. This is just a Midwest guinea pig cage, but I love using it for other animals as well. Oop, this is where it can get painful. There we go. And we're good to go. And that is my night routine. Bye everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more animal related videos. I will see you guys very soon with another video. Bye!